Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. As you know, Polygon has gone a bit crazy here in the last few days here. We've got a strong, we had a strong push to the upside. It caught me out a little bit as well. I didn't think it would go that high because I had this already as wave 5, but I think we are still in wave 3 as we said. Or, well, actually I think wave 3 is now very overextended and is pretty much either completely exhausted and well, actually my view is, yeah, it is over because we've already come into the wave 4 target area. The reason is that wave 3 was very much overextended. So I think we are now pushing down in wave 4 and there should be ideally one more wave up in a 5th wave, possibly all the way up to the top of the channel to put in a wave 1 around the 145 to 150 level before we then come down in wave 2. We are now in a support area, but I need to redefine the support area. I need to let you know in the previous video. I think it was a long day, was probably a bit tired. I did measure it from here, which is not correct. I need to measure it not from the B low, I need to measure it from the wave 2 low. So the target area, but it doesn't make a difference. We are in the target area already, so it doesn't make any difference. Just need to extend it out a bit. So it means that as long as the wave 4 now stays above $1, that should all be fine. I mean, it can come down lower, yeah, but this is sort of the ideal support for a 4th wave from where it can start the 5th wave to the upside. Yeah, be aware that it could also push down to the channel support. So should this level be lost, the $1 level, it could find support at the channel support, which I can't rule out. It would not invalidate a wave 4, not in a diagonal, because the wave 3 was very much overextended. But I can tell you here only the ideal support level for MATIC. What I will do, I will wait for this wave 2 to play out. Yeah, so I don't think we've already topped in wave 5. I think that this here is still coming, the wave 2. I think we are only in the 4th wave at the moment because of the overextension of this wave. To me, that is a 3rd wave. The wave 4 is ongoing at the moment, should hold the $1 level. Then a wave 5 to the upside, maybe in the region 145, 150. And then, but again, I can give you a clearer target once we have peaked or bottomed in wave 4. Then there should be that one wave 5 up, and then the wave 2 down is sort of where I am going to add again to my position. And again, I'll also add to my core position, to my, let's say, longer term position here, because MATIC is, in addition to Aave, Ethereum, maybe Quant, one of the best charts out there. Yeah, it is. And we see it play out because it is currently pushing and pushing, even though this is not the most beautiful pattern here which is happening. But primary expectation at the moment just has to be that we continue to move higher and that we are already in this 1st wave of the larger 3rd wave. This has to be the expectation. This could still be, I'm not going to rule it out, this could still be a wave 2. Yeah, we could still be in this larger wave 2. Remember, we talked about the possibility of this being a wave 1, the wave 2 already in, we're now in the wave 3. The problem is you can't rule it out because of the choppy nature of this move to the upside, that this was a wave 1, and all we've done here is a wave A. An overshooting wave B would be crazy, yeah, but it's possible, and then a wave C down. That is possible. Don't rule it out, yeah. Don't rule it out. It's important to be, again, strategic about this. That's why I took profits a couple of days ago, made you all aware, just in case we come down deeper. But irrespective of that, the next larger dip I'm going to accumulate MATIC. Not here yet, because for me, this is sort of the level where I took profits anyway, so I don't buy again. The point for me is just to wait until wave 2 plays out. That is for me the best strategy at the moment. Personally, yeah, you can do, of course, you can scalp this or whatever, or just short term go long here in anticipation of a wave 5. Don't forget to set your stop loss. And I think the next wave 2 will give the best balance out of reward and risk. Okay. And I can't really give you a target for the wave 3 yet because we haven't topped in 1 and we haven't bottomed in 2 yet. But I will be able to give you a wave 2 target once we have topped in wave 1. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.